Good afternoon, members of Convocation and fellow graduates. I'd like to start us off with a scene. Picture this. The year is 2016 or 2017. You're standing next to V1 Green, bopping your head along to the song of the summer, One Dance by Drake. You're standing close to the field, but not too close though. It's nesting season. You meet up with your friends and swing by Campus Bubble on your way before class starts. You dodge the people in the Tim Hortons line and stare longingly at the Fed's Bomber Wednesday poster. Would it be a Phil's Wednesday or a Bomber Wednesday? A throwback to a simpler time where that was the quintessential question on everyone's mind. To many of us graduates, it may seem like a distant dream. Believe it or not, the journey that we started all these years ago is drawing to a close and a newer and more exciting one is beginning. When I look back on my first year self, it's hard to recognize her. She was young, unconfident, confused, and unorganized. But take a look at us now. We're graduating more capable, more determined, more innovative, and more conscientious than ever. We have grown into our true selves. We went from struggling to wear our big kid pants to slipping into our new selves with ease. But how did such a transformation happen? Was it just the pressures of time or a combination between Waterloo hard water and bubble tea that steeled our bodies? Well, I propose a different theory. As we move through our degree, we learn how to focus on the things that pushed us forward. This could have been a club, a research project, a design team, the singular course that you enjoyed in your entire university career, or even a special someone from the Aphrodite project. We found what drives us and we used it to push us forward through every obstacle, from exams, midterms, essays, research projects, and more. This accomplishment is ours to relish and celebrate. This may seem like a difficult thing to do though, amidst a global pandemic. To quote the University of Waterloo's email chains, we are in unprecedented times. And as much as our generation likes to make a joke out of everything, I know this is not how we imagined it ending. Closing our laptops on a random Wednesday to realize that an entire chapter of our life is over, just like that. It's very easy for this time to be clouded by feelings of doubt, anxiety, loneliness, depression. Many of us are unable to see friends, families, and are dealing with loss on all scales. However, graduates, adversity is not a new word to us. Resilience is a skill that we have harnessed through our years here at Waterloo. When things look dark, look for the light. Class of 2021, I encourage you to follow what makes you happy. What makes you want to get out of bed every morning and seize the day. Look around you, and if you still can't seem to find it, look closer. The fact that each and every one of us is standing here today is a true testament to our ability to find strength in hard times and overcome. And for those specifically who are ending this chapter with more questions asked than answered, I get it. Leaving behind the academic framework and our student identity and everything that we based our entire lives on is scary, especially when you're graduating university not knowing what comes next. But I assure you, you don't need to have everything figured out. You've gone through university by finding what motivates you, and I encourage you and urge you to do the same once you leave. Though there may be a lot of confusion, take your time. Focus on the things that make you happy. Reach out to those who are in positions that you want to be, and keep the people who inspire you, like your friends and your family, close. And never, ever compare yourself to anyone else. Take that passion that pushed you through your 4 years and harness it. It got you through hard times and it will continue to do so. So don't be scared of challenges. It's an opportunity to triumph and add another victory to your belt. And if there's anything that I know for sure, this class is one that perseveres. I want to say congratulations, class of 2021. We did this, but not by ourselves. Let's take a second to thank our friends, families, professors, and staff who have helped us reach this point. It is our victory, but this level of achievement cannot be accomplished alone. So from wherever you are, from your couch in Waterloo to your couch halfway across the world, make sure to celebrate, laugh, smile, and enjoy this milestone. No one can take this victory away from you. And as we moved on to new chapters, new beginnings, and also new challenges, I implore you to find your motivation and follow it. Hold tight to it and know that you have an entire class, an entire faculty, an entire school that is cheering you on every step of the way. I raise my virtual glass to you, class of 2021. See you on LinkedIn.